Hi, my name is Manav.
Hi there, this is Ozer.
We are both a part of the Aruba Networks team that has been working with a lot of you folks in the Apple field. And we wish you are having a great summer camp in San Francisco. We certainly do appreciate you taking the time to view this video around what Aruba does that is unique for Apple devices. There are really three main things. The first is that Aruba makes an enterprise-grade Wi-Fi network that self-adapts so that even when there are hundreds of devices, Apple devices in a small room, people get a reliable Wi-Fi experience. Second, we've added some security software capability behind the wireless LAN, so when people bring their own Apple device to work or to school, the network can take the individual through a self-registration process. And then three, we have recently added some very exciting capabilities in our wireless LAN portfolio to make AirPlay and AirPrint work in campus networks.
And if I were to double click on AirPlay and AirPrint, folks, we talked to a lot of our enterprise WLAN customers, and they've raised a couple of concerns and challenges that they have as they're trying to enable these services in their networks. First one was, how do I make these services available across subnets? Well, we built a Bonjour gateway capability in our wireless LAN offering where these services can actually be made available across subnets. The second piece of the puzzle was, once these services are available everywhere, they start consuming a lot of Wi-Fi bandwidth. How do you guys deal with that? We started optimizing Wi-Fi traffic flows over the air so that all the necessary amount of traffic hits the Wi-Fi network and then the bandwidth is optimized.
A third issue people have is how do you make sure that every individual does not see all the Apple TVs and shared printers across the entire network in a campus? To address that, we've added ownership and location rules as a way to solve that problem. ClearPass access management software in an Aruba scenario sits behind the wireless LAN and captures those ownership and location rules. So individuals register their personal devices. IT departments register shared devices and suggest where they are located. That information is then transferred down to the wireless network that then filters Bonjour based on location and ownership to deliver that really personal experience over Wi-Fi. Teachers can log on and see the Apple TV in the classroom. Individuals on a second floor of a building will only see printers on that second floor of the building, not something that is across campus.
And folks, it's important to note that Air Group capability is available on Aruba's Aruba Instant product line, which is ideal for K-12 locations and branch offices where the wireless LAN can be just made up of access points, self-managing access points, no physical control is required. Also can be deployed in higher ed campuses, large headquarters locations, where an Aruba mobility controller can be used to centralize wireless LAN services.
Everything we talked about here, specifically the Air Group capability, you will find at the vendor fair at the summer camp. We'll be there, and we'll be happy to demonstrate that capability to you. And when you come there, please be sure to remember to bring the voucher that should have been emailed to you to get your access point. Thank you.
Thanks, folks.